Well, joining us on the couch this week is Caernarfon-based singer-songwriter Mark Back. He's going to be telling us about some of the things that he's done in the past and his plans for the future. Well, Mark, it's been a good year for you, hasn't it?
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more about what you've been doing then.
Well, in the past year I released my first Welsh CD called Cadw on Nawr, and with the CD, instead of deciding just to sell it normally, I decided to raise some money for charity, and I decided to use Ysgol Pendalar. And what we did a launch night in the Shipper Castle in Caernarfon, where we launched the CD and we did lots of publicity raising money for the school. And so far I've raised just under £350 for the school so far, and the sales are still ongoing. So I haven't quite raised as much money as I'd like to raise for the school so far, but it's still ongoing and trying to raise as much money as I can. Got some gigs coming up in a couple of weeks, and at the moment I'm writing an English EP. Yes, I'm just working from there really.
Now, during the time of the Pendalar gig, you got quite a bit of press in the local media, but on the telly as well, didn't you?
Yes, I did. The show called Wedi Saith did a feature on me about raising money for the school, and with the music video I shot, they showed clips of the music video and just asked about what I was doing with the CD and how I recorded the CD and how long I'd been at it with the music and whatnot. So yeah, that was pretty good actually. Getting my face on TV was a bit strange actually, but it was good actually. It was good publicity for myself, the music, and what I was doing as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed that.
So a quick look at the video there. Well, where would you like to see yourself in a couple of years then, Mark?
In a couple of years, I'm just continuously making music and just still enjoying it as much as I am now, because that's what I love doing, is just making music along with other musicians that are friends of mine as well. Yeah, that's what I just love to do, you know.
Now, you've got a couple of pages on the web,
Yes.
haven't you? What are the addresses of them pages then?
My MySpace page is www.myspace.com/MarkBackMusic. I had to think about that then. I haven't said it out in a while. And I've also got a page on Facebook as well. If you just type in Mark Back in the Facebook search bar, I'm bound to pop up.
You have got a gig coming up on Friday night in the Anglesey Arms in Caernarfon. Are you looking forward to that?
Yes, supporting Calan's show in the Anglesey Arms, really looking forward to it. I supported them a couple of months back in the same venue, and it was a really good gig, really good night, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing there again.
How would you describe the music scene in this area at the moment?
I'd say it's quite healthy. There's lots of new artists popping up everywhere you look. You know, you can go to a bar and have a drink and someone will say, "Oh yeah, I write music," and you know, "Oh, do you?" You didn't know it. You know, people popping up like that, and you've got your regular bands who've been known, you know, well known for a while. You know, they're coming up with really good music as well. I think it's really quite healthy. You know, and I'm proud to be a part of it. I think the talent around here is really good. I think a lot of talent around here hasn't been noticed yet. I think there's still a lot more to come as well. So yeah, I think it's really good.
What sort of advice would you give to the young band out there starting out using your own experience?
Just go for it, get yourselves together and really work hard and put your heads down and just do it. And also use every piece of advice that's given to you about, you know, going forth into the music industry, and just go for it and enjoy it and do what you feels right. Don't try and be someone else. Just do what you feels right for your band.
And finally, Mark, before we go, what can we expect from you in the future?
More music. You know, I'm just going to keep going, and just learn from what I'm doing. Just a lot more music. I'm hoping to work with a lot more artists, gigging in a lot more venues. I'm hoping to gig in the next, you know, hopefully in the next year or so. I'm hoping to gig outside of this area and get myself known in other places, so there's more publicity for me and other people get to know me. Yeah, I'm just hoping to just carry on the way I'm going and hopefully get better and hopefully sell more CDs and yeah, just enjoy music as well, because that's what I think it's all about.
Mark Back there then, on the couch.